The Cheonggyecheon stream was an old highway many years ago, and now it's a beautiful walkway that's about 11 kilometers for residents in Seoul and visitors, and a beautiful place to be in the city, but also feel like you're connected with nature and also history. A reminder of the Hallyu movement and the miracle on the Han in Korea. And at the same time, I think some of the stones come from the tombs of royals way back hundreds of years ago. So a reminder that Korea is not a new country, but an old country, but in the modern times as well. And a nice place to walk and reflect, find peace, and be in a cool spot.